Hi, my name is Erin Gismondo, and I'm an independent Color Street stylist. And I just wanted to share a little bit today about our Color Street opportunity. I was sitting in a party online about 7 years ago, and in the party, one of the leaders asked if anybody had ever considered becoming a Color Street stylist. And I had to say, honestly, no, I never had. I'd never even considered what that would be like. And so today I just want to tell you a little bit about the Color Street Stylist opportunity. And just to say that, something really stuck with me with that invitation. It wasn't pressure at all. It was really possibility. And I thought, well, what's the best that could happen? So today, I just want to share that, over the years, it's actually really made such a difference in my life. I get to learn new things almost every day. To be honest, I didn't even have an Instagram account when I joined as a stylist. I didn't know very much at all about social media. And I get to be creative every day, whether it's, doing my nail polish or getting to post a video or a reel or talk to my customers, show my customers new things. I get to be creative almost every day, and I really love that about this opportunity. I also meet amazing customers, people on social media that I definitely would never have met if it wasn't because of Color Street. And I get to be a part of just a really amazing community here amongst our stylists and customers, and it's really a wonderful place to be. It's very uplifting, affirming, and positive. So right now, it's a great opportunity to think about this Color Street opportunity. Next month on June 12th, we're going to be celebrating our 9th birthday at Color Street. And I truly think we're just a baby company still. We're just getting started, kind of learning our way, so many different areas. And it's really fun to be a part of. It's a great time to launch a small business. August, we have our stylist reunion in New Jersey. And if you're watching this in May, when I'm posting it, you might still be able to join us by signing up for our reunion and getting a chance to be in the room where it happens, where our founder will be, our home office team announcing so many great things that will be coming up for Color Street. And you'll get to meet other stylists like myself who will be there. And I believe you can still sign up for our plant tours of our headquarters, which I've had the opportunity to go on before. And it's really very amazing opportunity to see how our dry nail polish is made. We are growing and things are evolving and changing, and it's just sort of one of those moments where you can watch or you can step in to the whole experience. The other thing I want to share is that you can actually save 25% on your order the day that you sign up to be a Color Street stylist. This is new with our new system. You can add our join kit into your cart, and then you can add other items as well. You will save 25% on your ordered items. And then on the kit itself, you actually get 25% back on what we call our personal volume. So you get 35 personal volume PV for the kit. So you actually end up getting $8.70 back on the kit itself, which is kind of crazy and amazing. So I want to show you what you would get in a Color Street Stylist kit. You get 2 of our best-selling dry nail polish shades. This is Tokyo Lights. We call it the little black dress of Color Street because it goes with absolutely everything. Always great to have on hand. And one of our best-selling reds, which is Beijing Beauty. Totally a classic. You get some nail care products, a Color Street branded nail file in a little case and a 4-way nail buffer. I use this just about every manicure that I do. You get 2 of our lip products, our Jelly Pout lip treatment and our Bare High Gloss lip oil. Those are amazing. And you also get our miniature purse size version, which you can't buy this. You just get it in the starter kit. It's our Tri-Flex mascara. It's wonderful. The last thing that you get in the kit, which overall has a value of over $100, is you get 25 2-finger testers. And these are the best business tool ever because you can keep them with you at all times. If somebody compliments your nail polish, this is from our May Color Play Kit. You can open up a tester and have them sample right there while you're maybe standing in line at the post office or the grocery store, really anywhere. It's a great tool and a wonderful thing that we have that many businesses do not have, something that you can just carry with you like that. It's really pretty incredible. All right, so I just want to plant the seed. If you've ever been like a little bit curious, if you've ever just thought that extra income, having an outlet for creativity or additional connection, a community of amazing women would be appealing to you, ask questions in the comments. Reach out to me by personal message. You can do that as well. You can also go to our colorstreet.com website and explore on our Join tab. It's right underneath Shop on our menu, and kind of check out all of the things that are there. Again, just in closing, I had never considered this before I got the invitation, and I'm so grateful that somebody asked me anyway. So I'm asking you, have you ever thought about becoming a Color Street stylist? What's the best that could happen? Be sure to comment below if you watched this all the way through. I would love to know that. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.